How to make an NGO link in a Facebook story. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make an NGO link in a Facebook story. First, open your NGO application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, tap on Copy Link to copy the link you want to share. After copying the link, tap on Share. This will open up the sharing options. Then, tap on Next Step to proceed with sharing the link. Now, look for the option Share on Instagram and tap on it. This will open Instagram. Once you're on Instagram, swipe up and tap on the link option. Paste your NGO link in the provided space. You can adjust the link according to your preference. After pasting the link, tap on Done to confirm. Now, tap on the Share button to share your NGO link on Instagram. Make sure your Instagram is connected to your Facebook account for this feature to work. If you want to share the story on Facebook as well, tap on Share. Finally, tap on Done to complete the sharing process. Now, open your Facebook application to see that your NGO link has been shared on your Facebook story. Also, check out our video on how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.